Topic natin ay factors or parameters 6AA over L and 6AB over L. So itong mga factors na to ay isa sa mga mahalagang factors ito sa ating subject, theory of structures. Okay. So may mga conditions para sa ating topic ngayon. So una, the member segment is always treated as a simple beam. So halimbawa ang beam is a fixed beam subjected to a load. Then iti-treat natin siya or i-convert natin siya into equivalent simple beam subjected to the same load. Kung ang beam ay cantilever, then convert natin siya into equivalent simple beam subjected to the same load. Okay. So kung bakit tinitreat natin as simple beam ang topic na to, ay pag-uusapan natin yung dahilan sa mga susunod na videos. So basta tandaan lang na sa pagsosolve ng parameter 6A over L and 6AB over L, ang treatment natin sa segment ay lagi simple beam. The next consideration, condition, the sign convention is beam oriented. So ang ginagamit nating sign convention sa topic na to ay beam oriented, no? So recall, kapag upward, positive load, reaction, shear. Then kapag downward naman ng direction, then negative load, reaction, shear. Okay. Then kapag upward ang direction, then the moment is positive. So the upward moment is positive. And downward direction is negative. So halimbawa, meron tayong load, direction is upward. So kung ang load ay upward, magkukos siya ng upward moment. So therefore, the moment will be positive. And if downward yung load, magkukos siya ng downward moment. So therefore, the moment is negative. Then counterclockwise is positive joint rotation and clockwise is negative joint rotation. Isa pa sa property ng beam oriented ay, say meron tayong beam segment at meron tayong cutting plane. So nahati yung beam segment into two parts, na. So ito yung ating cutting plane. So meron tayong left part and right part. So itong left part subjected sa load, ganun din naman yung right part. So property ng beam oriented, moment at the left of the cutting plane, so moment sa left ng cutting plane due to the loads, is always equal to the moment at the right of the cutting plane. Okay, so property ng beam oriented sign convention, moment left is always equal to moment right. Mag-solve tayo ng mga examples. Example number 1, beam subjected to a single concentrated load. So meron tayong mga steps na in solving for the parameter 6AA over L and 6AB over L. So step 1 is solve for the reactions. So let's assume that the reactions at the supports are both upward. Then to solve for the reaction at A, we take moment at B. Okay. So at point B, applying the beam-oriented sign convention, that moment left of B is equal to the moment right of B. So moment left equals moment right. So left of B, the loads causing the moments are, or the forces causing the moments are the reaction at A and the load P. So since the reaction at A is upward, so its moment will be positive. Then the magnitude is the force, the reaction times the lever arm L. And due to the load P, which is downward, the effect is a downward moment, so negative. The force is P and the lever arm is B. Then equal to the moment at the right side of B is 0. Since wala tayong loading or wala tayong applied moment or wala tayong support sa B, wala tayong fixed support sa B. So the moment right of B is 0. So that the reaction at A is AB over L. Positive ang result, meaning that the assumed direction upward is correct. Then to solve for the reaction at B, we take moment at A. So applying moment left equals moment right. So moment left of A is 0, then equal to moment right of A. The forces causing moments sa right of A are the reactions at B and the load. So the reaction at B is upward, so it will cause a positive moment times lever arm L. Then due to the load P, downward, negative moment. So the load is P, the lever arm is A. So that the reaction at B is PA over L, positive, so acting upward. So yan yung ating mga reactions. Ngayong meron na tayong reactions, the next step, step 2, is we draw the moment diagram or the moment by parts diagram. Usually, mas madali ang geometry ng moment by parts, no, kumpara sa geometry ng moment diagram. No? So, kaya kadalasan, ang ginagamit ay moment by parts diagram. So, para sa moment by parts diagram, pwede tayong pumili ng kahit anong reference. No? So, pwede tayong mag-take ng moment anywhere. No? Say, piliin natin moment at A. So, tayo ay mag-moment at A, na moment by parts at A. So, ang magkakos ng moment at A ay dalawa, yung reaction at B and the load. So, due to the reaction at B, the moment by parts diagram is triangular. Okay, so kapag concentrated force, ang moment by parts diagram ay triangular, starting from the point of application of the concentrated force, which is at point B, then terminating at our reference point A. And the moment at A is the reaction PA over L times L, or simply PA. And due to the load P, which is downward, the moment by parts is triangular going down, starting from the point of application of the load P and terminating at our reference point A. And the moment is the force P times the lever arm A, negative. The next is we solve for the area. So, mayroon tayong dalawang triangles. Yung triangle sa itaas ay positive. So, the area of the positive triangle is 1/2. The base is L. The height is PA, or simply PAL over 2. And yung area naman ng negative triangle is 1/2. The base is A. The height is PA, or simply PA square over 2. And then, para sa centroids, so, distance ng centroid ng positive triangle from left is 1/3 of L. And distance of the negative triangle from left is 1/3 of A. So, yan na yung ating moment by parts diagram at A. Okay, next step, step 3, is we solve for the parameters 6AA over L and 6AB over L. So, simulan natin sa AA. So, big A, big letter A represents the area. Small letter A represents the lever arm from left. So, the parameter AA means area times lever arm from left, or simply the moment of area about the left. So, for the positive triangle, its area is PAL over 2, and its lever arm from left is L over 3. Then for the negative triangle, the area is PA square over 2, and lever arm A over 3. Simplify, factor out the common factors, PA over L. Then inside the parentheses are L square minus A square. So yung result, i-multiply natin by 6 over L. Cancel 6. Then simplify. So, PA over L, L square minus A square. So, pwede na natin i-memorize itong formulang ito. Since yung concentrated load ay common load yan, so, madalas natin gagamitin itong formulang ito. Next, we solve for the parameter AB. So A means the area and B means the lever arm from right. So AB is the area times lever arm from right, or simply the moment of area about right. So AB is equal to, so for the positive triangle, the area is PAL over 2 and its lever arm from right is 2/3 of L. Then for the negative area, PA square over 2 and its lever arm from right is B plus 2/3 of A. So yung ating parameter is AB. So since B yung yung parameter, yung symbol na ginamit sa left side, so dapat yung right side mas B in terms of B. So meron tayong parameter A sa right side. So ita-transform natin siya into B. So from the figure, obviously A plus B is equal to L. So that A is equal to L minus B. So itong L minus B na to, isa-substitute natin kay A. And obviously, medyo magiging komplikado ng konti yung ating algebra. So once na naging komplikado yung algebra, so pwede tayong mag-shift ng ating reference. So para sa parameter 6AB over L, medyo komplikado yung algebra kung ang gagamitin natin ay moment by parts at A. So ang gagawin natin ngayon ay mag-shift tayo ng moment by parts. Gagamit tayo ng ibang reference. Gawin nating reference para sa moment by parts is B. So we draw the moment by parts at B. So at point B, the forces causing the moments are the reaction at A and the load P. So due to the reaction at A upward, the diagram is triangular, starting from point A terminating at B, and the moment at B is PB over L times L, or simply PB. And due to this load, the moment by parts diagram is triangular downward, starting from the point of application of the load P and terminating at B, and the moment is P times B. Then the area, the positive area is 1/2, the base is L, the height is PB, or simply PBL over 2, and itong triangle na ito ay 1/2, the base is B, the height is PB, or simply PB square over 2. And then centroids, for the positive triangle, the distance of the centroid from right is 1/3 of L, and for the negative triangle, distance of centroid from the right is 1/3 of B. So ito na yung ating moment by parts at B. Now considering moment by parts at B, we solve for the parameter AB. So the area of the positive triangle is PBL over 2, and its lever arm from right is L over 3. Then for the negative triangle, area is PB square over 2, and its lever arm from right is B over 3. So factoring out the common factors, PB over 6, then inside the parentheses are L square minus B square. Then multiplying the result by 6 over L, we obtain PB over L, L square minus B square. So ito na yung formula para sa 6AB over L ng concentrated load. Dito tayo sa summary. So ito na yung mga formulas na na-derive natin kanina for a given concentrated load acting downward. Medyo madaling tandaan yung formula na. So kung memorize nyo yung unang formula, then yung pangalawang formula ay nakapattern na lang sa una. So kung ang parameter ay B, so syempre, yung lahat ng mga parameters A doon sa first formula, gawin lang nating B. Then ayan. Then ito yung formula kung ang load ay downward. So kung sakali na nabaligtad, naging upward yung direction ng load, Then, ang formula ay magiging same formula actually, but opposite in sign. Okay? So, tandaan na. So, kapag na-reverse yung ating direction ng load, naging upward, then mare-reverse yung signs. So, yan yung ating formula para sa 6A over L and 6AB over L ng concentrated load.